Woocommerce Dropshipping tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video I will show you a quick tutorial on how you can start your WooCommerce online store for your dropshipping business. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first, let me discuss to you the overview about this WooCommerce. So with WooCommerce, it will help you build exactly the e-commerce or online store website that you want. So WooCommerce is a customizable open source e-commerce platform built on WordPress. So it means that this WooCommerce is one of the plugin inside the WordPress that you can make use of to build amazing online store website. So with WooCommerce, you can create e-commerce website inside the WordPress where you can add your product list, where you can add a shopping cart, your checkout options, your payment method, and also your shipping options. So you can set all of this inside your WordPress website using the WooCommerce. So that is what WooCommerce used for inside the WordPress. So now that we know about the WooCommerce, let's also discuss shortly about the dropshipping business model. So this is the dropshipping model. So when you do dropshipping, it's very different from the traditional business. From the traditional business, what you do is you purchase the product first, and then once you have the products, then that is the time that you look for customer to buy the products. But with dropshipping, everything is different. The first thing that you need to do is you need to find the product, a good product. It means that you should choose a product that good quality and also the demand is high. And once you have the product, you just need to look for supplier. And once you have the supplier, then that is the time that you promote the product and you advertise your product to different social media for you to reach your potential customers. And once you have the buyer for the products, then that is the time that you purchase the product from your supplier and let your supplier ship these products to your customers directly. So it means that with drop shipping, the risk doing business is less compared to traditional business since there's no need for you to get high capital to buy the product in bulk with drop shipping. So for example, from here, from this model, so let's assume that we already have the product and we already have our supplier. So what you do is you promote your product and you create your online store. So here the customer will purchase your product from your online store. For example, the price of the product inside your store is $80. So you take that order from your customer and then you forward that order to your supplier and you only pay your supplier for this product for $30. And you request your supplier to ship the products directly to your customer with customer name. And with that, you earn or you make $50 profit from this one product. So that's how dropshipping model works. So now let's go ahead and discuss more about WooCommerce. So as I mentioned earlier that WooCommerce is also part of the WordPress. So before you can start creating your new store with WooCommerce, you need to first create an account inside the WordPress. So you need to go to wordpress.com and sign up or create your account here. It's so simple. You just need to provide your email that you want to use inside the WordPress. And once you created your account, you just need to log in. So let me just go ahead and log into my WordPress account. So just bear with me for a moment. So I already logged into my account, and as you can see here, down here from the left side tab, you have your WooCommerce tab here. So you just need to click it here and you can create your WooCommerce website inside your WordPress, or you can also simply create your WooCommerce website inside the woocommerce.com website. But here, when you click the start a new store, you also be asked to log into your WordPress. As you can see here, you need to log into your WordPress.com to approve your WordPress.com account to sign into your WooCommerce.com. So it's still gonna be the same. So you need to click approve here to authorize your WordPress.com account for WooCommerce. So here, when you create your online e-commerce store with WooCommerce, the first thing that you need to do is purchase first your domain so that you will rid off of the priest.com. As you can see here, for example, I have a website here that I created before. And as you can see here, I have my website test tutorial and number. And after the number, there's a wordpress.com. This is what you will be getting if you will be using the free domain. But if you will be purchasing a domain, then this WordPress will disappear. So what you will be having will be just the name of your website, which is testtutorial.com. So there's no WordPress extension will appear here. But again, it's not for free. You need to purchase your domain. And once you purchase a domain, then you need to also purchase a hosting site. So hosting site is another third party for you to save all your informations, all your data, for example, the text, the images, all the information that you added to your website to be available online. So you need to purchase a hosting, and there are different hosting here that you can make use of. They also have different hosting site here that they recommend. So let's go ahead and continue here. So once you approve and authorize your WordPress account to sign into WooCommerce, then you just need to answer this. Who is this site for? So you have two options here. This site is for me, and this site is for someone else. So I will just go ahead and click this one over here. This is for me. And then you just need to choose the industry that you are in. So for example, for me, it's gonna be design and marketing. And then I will hit continue. What types of product will you sell? I will just go ahead and select the digital products and services. And I will just go ahead and continue. And then also select how will customer pay for their purchases. So one-time payment and also subscription. So let's go ahead and continue. And here's how would you like to install the WooCommerce. So you have different option here like book time with consultant. It means that there is someone that will help you walk through your store setup, plan with a WooCommerce specialist. You can also get WooCommerce pre-installed. This is recommended for new user. You will get hosting, as I mentioned earlier, and then WordPress and WooCommerce in one click through your trusted partners. So I will just go ahead and select this Get WooCommerce. And here, as you can see, these are the recommended hosting that WooCommerce and WordPress recommended to its users. So you can just select it here, the DIY, SiteGround, and the WordPress hosting. So with the SiteGround, you can start paying $3.99 per month. And for the WordPress, it's going to be $59 per month. So for beginners, it's recommended to use the SiteGround, and you have different option here. So this is now the SiteGround hosting website. So let's just go ahead and view the plans. So for now, since I am not able to purchase a hosting site here, I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today. And thank you so much for watching.